चलिए कंगून स्टडी चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। अब हम लोग इंग्लिश के चैप्टर को देखेंगे। इंग्लिश के चैप्टर में जो है अंग्रेजी का जो है आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन आंसर क्लास 12 का हम लोग देखते हैं, क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम पास में है इसके लिए हम लोग थोड़ा सा फास्ट चल रहे हैं, रिवाइज चल रहा है। इससे पहले आपका हिंदी का जो क्लास था वो दोबारा करना पड़ा, जिसमें कुछ टेक्निकल फॉल्ट की वजह से कुछ जगहों से आपका जो है साउंड हट गया है। तो उसके लिए आप क्वेश्चन को देखेंगे सिर्फ, और क्वेश्चन में टिक लगा हुआ है तो आप देखते हुए आगे बढ़ जाएंगे। उसमें साउंड का थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो गया है। तो चलिए इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। काफ़ी मेहनत किया गया है इस सब्जेक्ट में चैप्टर वाइज आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव बनाने में। तो चलिए इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग। चलिए नेक्स्ट पहला क्वेश्चन, महात्मा गांधी हैज रिटेन द लेसन। किसका किया था महात्मा गांधी ने? इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर। फ्रोस वेयर रूलर्स वेयर एंशियंट इजिप्ट। ठीक है। ब्लैंक वेयर रूल्स ऑफ इजिप्ट। क्या होगा इसमें? सिविलाइजेशन इज द स्टेट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ Gabon is associated with Italy. European civilization will means क्या होगा? Rand. Simple living and high thinking is the base of Indian civilization. Indian glory is that it is immovable. Next blank. Was a spiritual leader than a politician. Mahatma Gandhi. My experiment with truth was written. किसने लिखा है? महात्मा गांधी। द माइंड इज रेस्टलेस ब्लैंक खालिस्तान। द मोर इट गेट्स द मोर इट वांट्स। क्या होगा? बर्ड। द पीपुल ऑफ यूरोपियन लर्न देयर लेसन फ्रॉम द रिटर्न ऑफ द मैन ऑफ। क्या होगा? ग्रीसियन ऑफ ग्रीस ऑफ रोम। प्लेन लिविंग एंड हाई थिंकिंग इज टू द मोटो ऑफ। क्या होगा? वेस्टर्न फिलोसफर। नेक्स्ट, सेक्रीफाइस इज द सोल एम ऑफ आवर। क्या हो जाएगा? फिलोसफर। ये नहीं होगा। नेक्स्ट, खालिस्तान इज डिड अगेंस्ट ब्लाइंड लिमिटेशन ऑफ द वेस्टर्न civilization. गांधी जी। ब्लैंक वेयर सर्टिफाइड with a small village. Our ancestors. Has civilization taught us to be more blank towards one another? Angry. Very good. Our ancestors enjoyed Khalistan rule. क्या हो जाएगा? Home. Wealth and luxury do not make happy. क्या हो जाएगा? Man happy. गांधी जी went to the चंपारण। कब किए थे गांधी जी? 1917. The people of European are inspired by खालिस्तान and Roman writers. कौन है? ग्रीक। The invention of खालिस्तान proved a milestone in our development. Fire. The invention of proved। ठीक है। He wrote different articles for। क्या होगा? Young India. Civilization point out to man the path of duty. To observe morality is to attain mastery over mind and passion. The mind is a restless bird which always remains unsatisfied. Happiness is largely mental condition. महात्मा गांधी was more a क्या थे? क्या थे महात्मा गांधी? was more a पॉलिटिशियन थे, इकोनॉमिस्ट थे, सोशल ठीक है स्पिरिचुअल he used as the chief weapons truth and non-violence. Our ancestors dis- disused us from luxury and pleasure. People in ancient days were satisfied with village. Our forefathers saw that king and their swords were inferior to ethics, the sword of ethics. In ancient day of the common people followed agriculture. Modern civilization is worship material. Indian civilization and culture has been written by Gandhiji. In ancient days, the common people enjoyed truth and rules. The tendency of Indian civilization is to elevate moral being. Indian civilization is based on belief in God. Bharat is my home. The past is alive and dynamic. The Indian culture is the best example. Unity in this diversity. The word erudition stand for ये हो जाएगा great knowledge. When did Dr. Hussain deliver this speech? When he took oath as the president. Dr. Zakir Hussain was born 1990 and 1897. Dr. Zakir Hussain died मृत्यु 1929. Dr. Zakir Hussain was born in कहाँ हुआ था हैदराबाद में जन्म. Earlier he had served as the governor of Bihar. Dr. Radhika Krishnan explained exceptionally Indian philosophy. Dr. Zakir Hussain entered the office with total dedication. Dr. Zakir Hussain was long associated with education. The people had chosen him the lead of the family for a certain time. As the president, Dr. Hussain advocated for the growth of the whole nation. Power should be used only for more purpose. Dr. Zakir Hussain delivered his in a speech 196 7 67. Dr. Zakir Hussain took the oath as the president. Bharat is my home is written Dr. Zakir Hussain. ब्लैंक है वाज द रोल मॉडल डॉक्टर जकीर हुसैन के रोल मॉडल किसके थे डॉक्टर राधा कृष्ण डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन टुक द ओथ ऑफ लॉयल्टी टू द constitution constitution said Khalistan that Bharat is my home and its people are my family. Dr. Zakir Hussain. Dr. Zakir Hussain was a great क्या थे nationalist. Dr. Zakir Hussain lived in 1967 after taking the oath of the president. Blank is the prime instrument of the nation building education. Blank both a lot of the education and wealth of the knowledge the two presidency. Dr. Radha Krishna. Dr. Zakir Hussain feel greatly obliged to the people of India. Dr. Zakir Hussain became the president of India. कब बने थे 1967. Dr. Zakir Hussain entered the office in a spirit of humility, prayerful. Dr. Zakir Hussain never his faith in Man. Dr. Zakir Hussain written has the lesson. Bharat is my home. A pinch of snuff. Nanu Kala Kaka was installed in author bedroom. The author had taken 2 days leaves. Nanakaka in linguistics emergency always turned to his mother tongue. Nanakaka thought that the secretary treated them coldly because they had not gone in. क्या होगा? A bigger car. ठीक है. Nanakaka took out his checkbook and wrote a check. 1,000 rupees. Nanakaka was coming to Delhi. कब आए थे भाई? To see some minister. किस लिए आए थे? मिनिस्टर से मिलने के लिए कुछ समय के लिए. Nanakaka was author. Ministerial uncle यानी mentor uncle. The author has a complaint about ministers. Nanakaka traveled in the second class. On the platform, Nanakaka handed over the author a basket. The basket contained क्या होगा? A cat. Nanakaka had third class ticket but traveled in the second class because क्यों किए थे भाई? थर्ड क्लास टिकट यानी लेकर सेकेंड क्लास में यात्रा किए थे. वेरी गुड. क्योंकि उस थर्ड क्लास में क्या था? रूम ही नहीं था, तो इसीलिए उनको किसमें करना पड़ा था? सेकेंड क्लास में यात्रा करना पड़ा था. द ऑथर वाज मेरली क्या? एंड अंडर सेक्रेटरी. अ पिंच ऑफ स्नफ इज रिटेन क्या होगा? मनोहर मलगोकर. मनोहर Malgonkar has written the lesson. A pinch of snuff. Nanakaka wrote a check for ₹1,000. The second important person Nanakaka had planned to meet was welfare minister. Retram was the son of Sohan Lal Retram. Khalistan is a humorous story. A pinch of snuff. There is nothing like honesty was said by Nanakaka. Khalistan was coming to visit the narrator's family. Khalistan went to the minister in Jodhpuri court. Manohar Malgokar. The speaker put on his white Jodhpuri coat and the Khalistan. क्या हो जाएगा? Orange color turbo. Nanakaka was the stay for कितने दिन रुके थे भाई? 2 or 3 days. Khalistan informed the under secretary about Nanakaka's visit. Inform किया था किसको? Mother. Nanakaka was related to the narrator as he was his mother's brother. Khalistan is the main character of the story of Panchapasna. कौन थे? Nanakaka. Nanakaka was has unique quality of telling lies. झूठे. Nanakaka handed over a check of 1,000 rupees to a Dhobi. Nanakaka portrayed himself as the hereditary astrologer of the Maharaja of Nainur. Nanakaka was a very क्या थे? क्लेवर चालाक व्यक्ति थे. क्लेवर मैन. A pinch of snuff is क्या है? पोएम है, नोवेल है, स्टोरी है या ऐसे? शॉर्ट स्टोरी, छोटा सा कहानी. A snuff of pinch of snuff is in fact a detailed character sketch of Nanukaka. Manohar Malagokar was the Khalistan Om probation under secretary. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है. आई हैव अ ड्रीम सपना। आप देखते हैं ड्रीम के बारे में। द स्नेम एरिया densely populated by a isolated community in marked by ghetto. King is regarded as one of the greatest authors. The authors advocate non-violence struggle. Martin Luther King Jr. was born in 29 1929. Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated on April 4. King was assassinated in 1968. I have a dream in a speech delivered by King on कब अगस्त 28 ना 1963 America gave the Negro people a bad check by the singing on the Emancipation Proclamation. The hopes of the Negro population Negro population remained unful, unfulfilled. To overlook the Negro would be fatal. The Negroes made the pledge that they will always march ahead. ठीक है. How many times Kim repeats that the cannot to be certified? 5 times. The word momentous stand for very important. They had a dream that one day they would get their rights. Racial discrimination is against human rights. I have a dream is written by Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. written lesson. I have a dream. I have a dream is a part of a speech delivery by Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. belong to कहाँ से? USA, संयुक्त राज्य अमेरिका. The condition of the Khaalistan appalling. Negroes is sweltering with the hate of the injustice and oppression. Mississippi. Khaalistan was a great orator. Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a क्या होगा? Negroes. Nobel Prize for Peace was given to the Martin Luther Jr. कब मिला था नोबेल प्राइज? 1964. Negroes were the former of America slaves. Khalistan is a desert state of the USA. Mississippi. Martin Luther King Jr. had क्या होगा? 4 children. Khalistan I advocate non-violence struggle. Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. loves the white America. Martin Luther King Jr. was a क्या होगा? Philosopher. Martin Luther King delivered his speech was the Washington DC and on August कितने अगस्त को? 25 28 1963. ठीक है. Martin Luther King Jr. dislikes discrimination. SCL. I have a dream a speech delivered by Martin Luther King. The bank of justice is क्या होगा? Root. Bankrupt. Khalistan has given the Negro people had check which had come back to mark in the sufficient found. America. Next है ideas that have helped man mankind. We are able to the get variety of the enjoyment due to fast, fast. Our intelligence. We are the more friendly within the head. After language, the second most important thing which helps making mankind was fire. The taming of the domestic animals made life less center. The idea that have the help mankind has the written by Bertrand and Russell. Bertrand and Russell died in community 1970. Russell was awarded Nobel Prize for literature. The most indu- indubitable respect in which ideas have the help mankind is numbers. Survival of for the home suspense primarily was a problem. Wars die of the hunger in a large number during winter. During summer wars, catastrophe. Next, every human death low Stevens is preceded by a long period of anxiety. Women begin suffer more due to their intelligence. Animals get the pleasure from none of these. Bertrand Russell has written the lesson idea that helps in mankind. Bertrand Russell was a philosopher and a mathematician. The invention of why was more important than the domestication of the animal. Agriculture civilization taught us to be more friendly towards others. Carlson was also commentator on the large variety of the topic. Martin and Russell. In Khalistan, the last step was never taken. क्या होगा? China. Very good. We did not help the god to grow unless he was to slow the fast the blood of children. Mloch, the artist. Next chapter. Question number 1. रुके the artist. The teachers who caught Sevi doing the god in the class punished him. The teacher hinted a complaint against Sevi to his mother. The artist is a short story. Who has the written by the story artist? Snoya. Singhanoya was born कब हुआ था? 1860 ठीक है. Singhanoya died in 1971. He was the celebrated Japanese short story writer. Sevi was the artist में an artist होता है. Sevi's parents knew that had often both himself God. Sevi lived in टाउन में. हाँ वन टाउन है ठीक है दिया हुआ है टाउन का नाम. One could walk from one in the town to another 20 minutes. Sevi knew every place that sold God. One day Sevi won the scholar God shop and world woman which cost him 10 cents. He used to bore a neat hole in the top of the god. He made the hole to extract seeds. Whenever Sevi passed through the market, he searched the Siga Novella has written the story The Artist. Sebi was the 12-year-old on son by
Japan.
Japanese. Sebi was a Japanese boy. कितने ईयर?
Then Japanese wife.
हाँ कितने ईयर?
20 years old.
12 ईयर. क्या गलत गलत बता रहे हो जी. सेबी हॉबी वाज
God.
collecting God. Sebi was the passionately interested in
Guns.
hounds. Singer Noya is a
Japanese.
writer consist Japanese.
Yes.
One day Sebi was the caught red
Ethics.
handed by his teacher किसका?
Ethics.
Ethics teacher. Sebi bought a
Height.
खाली 5-inch got from a old woman. The teacher become very
Angry.
angry, which Sebi is the neglected his studies. Next question. Sebi reads at
Primary.
primary school. Sebi get got from a few. Sebi got from a few.
Sand.
Sen में. One must admire the inherent qualities in the
Children.
children. The price of the 5-inch guts is
10 cents.
10 cents. Sebi's father's work at
Carpenter.
carpenter's permanent Permimonous and organized
An old woman.
and
Old woman.
old
Woman.
women. The porters sold the gods
50 years.
of Sebi is 15 years, 15 and Khalistan is a short story.
The artist.
The artist is a short story. Sebi's hobby of collecting gods made his teacher
Displeased.
displeased. Sebi's parents now that the often want to out to the buy himself
God.
gods. The courier dealers sold by the gods to the wealthy collectors for
60,000.
60,000 600 and a child is born. One official musical program is given
By the woman world.
by the
Woman
women
and girl.
girls. The ceremony is
For both.
for both दोनों. In Bangladesh, children are looked after by the
For family.
whole family. Who has written a children is born?
Degree.
G. Greer. During pregnancy, the best place of the woman is
Her mother's house.
her mother's house. During pregnancy, a woman prefers her mother's house because
She gets proper care there.
she gets proper care there. When baby is born, it is an ocean of joy of
The whole family.
for the whole family. The naming ceremony is
Lovely.
lovely. The naming ceremony is held when the baby is
7 days old.
7 days old. New clothes the both for
Both.
दोनों. The baby, the mother. In traditional birth, infant and mother mortality is
Greater.
greater. In traditional society, a pregnant woman is primarily supported by
Other members of
other
society.
members of society. In traditional society, woman lose on the own name of and is now as the mother of her firstborn child, but the West regard it is
Outer gate.
outer gates. German Gier was born in
1939.
39, 1939. German Gier was educated in
Australia.
Australia. से. Traditional method of the childbirth is accepted.
Culturally and
Culture and collectively. German Gier was written lesson.
socially birth.
A child born. A Khalistan woman had to observe various tubes, rituals and custom.
Present. Present.
Pregnant. Present. German Gier is an
Australia.
Australia winter. German Gier is famous.
Feminine.
क्या होगा? feminist. In Bangladesh, Rup Ruphoka is a kind of
tale.
fairy tale. Generally, a pregnant woman is sent to Rajasthan, home for childbirth parents. In the Rajasthan, the housewife doing the enjoy for more freedom in individuality. West. Rajasthan women visit your mother's house during pregnancy and Indian. In Rajasthan, children under the age of the 5 years are looked after by the whole family. Bangladesh. Astheti, woman and her child given new dresses on the day of the birth. Seventh is the press. Question number one. The news in the newspaper is generally somewhat changed. Decent journalists and responsibility editors are not pleased with the present affairs. क्या होगा? True. सत्य. The press enjoys the helpness of the public. सहायता करता है पब्लिक की. The editorial policy of a popular daily in the control by. क्या होगा? Chief factor. Two factors. No widely circulated newspaper that supported the public policy due to the research interested of advertisers. A big circulation spells bankruptcy if the paper has to depend on the sales. The policy of the newspaper is largely determined by proprietor. The author has given the form of the misrepresentation. They are six. Dorothy L. Sayers was born in 1893. She died in 1957. She was educated Oxford. In democracy, the freedom of the press necessary. Freedom of the press is restricted during war. The state is the servant of people. The heaviest restrictions upon the freedom of public opinion is unofficial. How Free is the Press is written by Dorothy L. Sayers. Dorothy L. Sayers has written the lesson How Free is the Press. Censorship is imposed during emergency. CASA, Khalistan are carefully not the organization of press. Politician. Khalistan, the Khalistan is not the master but the servant of the people. State. A free and fair press is the true watch. Khalistan. क्या होगा? Cat. The first chief source of the newspaper and review is क्या होगा? Advertisement. खालिस्तान है द के बाद खालिस्तान प्रेस इज अंडर ऑर्डिनरी कंडीशनल सिंगुलरी फ्री ब्रिटिश. The second chief source of the newspaper revenue is debt, donation, the wealth of honors या grant by the government. क्या होगा? The gifts of the wealth of honor. The Khalistan who can make a break reputation. क्या होगा? Press. The editorial policy of the popular daily is controlled by organ chief factor to the earth? Next question number 1. Hens were producing an average of 200 eggs. Bennett's father was a preacher. Benjer's father valued fat. Benjer's parent of the ceremony was क्या होगा 21. H.E. Bates was born in 95. He Bates died in 74. 74 to 64. 74. He Bates' first novel was published was when he was only 21 years old. The name of the Johnson son was क्या होगा Ben. The Johnson son was simple. The doctor advised to the parents to give a bench some work. The doctor suggested to the left him keep क्या होगा hands. At first Bennett kept 10 dozen hands. Bennett left the school at क्या होगा 14. When he left the school he had 40 and 50 or 50 hands. The earth has been written by H.E. Bates. H.E. Bates has written the story The Earth. His parents did not like because grey Florence. Benjamin purchased land from Sanders. Florence later on became the wife of Benji. Benji was the son of क्या होगा Johnson. Khaliasan was the real owner of the land. Sanders. Benji wanted to marry Florence. Johnson was the poor doctor. Benji's parents gave him the passbook when he was the Khaliasan year old. 21 year old. Johnson was in the possession of land. क्या होगा for care. Benjamin should be allowed to kin. क्या होगा hence. The Khaliasa suggested that Benjamin would be allowed to keep hens. Doctor. The earth is a क्या है ड्रामा स्टोरी क्या है स्टोरी. Benjamin told his parents to eat it in the क्या होगा kitchen. Benjamin left his Khaliasan of the permanent parents. Khaliasan drives his parents from their house. क्या होगा Benji. For many years, Benjamin's father had the local teachers. Johnson invented land from Preacher. Teacher नहीं. Johnson invented land from Sanders. Benjamin moved into the house of which Khaliasan 14 age. Florence. Indian Truth or Travel's Eye. The young Indians intellectuals were disappointed with the English Indians under the British rules and the lifespan of just 27 years. For all the ills of the India, the written blames the English rule. The writer visit an Indian family left. क्या होगा happiness. The book come my belong Indian background. He taught in Chinese University. The won the Nobel Prize in 1938. Buck family doctor was the Indian. Gandhi's hold was upon
both.
both sensuous or passion. The Mongolian from Europeans invaded
Kashmir,
Kashmir. The first woman president of the General Assembly
India,
of the United was
India,
India. Pearl's book was born in
1892,
1892. The by birth she was अमेरिका जापानीज चाइना
America,
क्या होगा
America,
अमेरिका शी वाज reared
China,
चाइना शी वाज reared by her
Misha, Deep,
missionary parents Indian through a travel's eyes has written by
P.S.S. Bach,
Pierce S. Bock Pierce S. Bock has written by
Indian
lesson
letter आवे,
क्या होगा
कोई वाली letter आवे,
Indian through a travel's eyes Indian through a travel's eye is an inspire
ऐसे,
क्या है नोवेल है
ऐसे,
ऐसे है Pierce Bock is and writer
India,
India collection has present Indian people
P.S.S.
and
Bach,
their life
P.S.S. Bach,
क्या होगा
P.S.S. Bach,
क्या चीज
P.S.S. Bach,
See, our food was served on the fresh green
banana,
क्या होगा
banana,
banana from behold the Indian would were to thought that the right hand is for clean service
children,
children service clean Indian patients are poorest poor their con- counterpart
China,
China. I was the caught
dog,
to kill a dangerous.
dog,
Khalid advised the Indians not to blame the British
P.S.S. Bach,
for everything. क्या होगा?
P.S.S. Bach,
PSS Bach. Khalid visited India to the sea and listened to groups of the people.
P.S.S. Bach,
PSS Bach. Religion is ever present in busy life.
India,
India. The land between Bombay and Khalistan.
Madras,
Since finished.
Madras,
क्या होगा मद्रास द पीपल ऑफ खालिस्तान है मुवक्कल इंस्ट बी reckoned as belonging to the Caucasian race
India,
India a marriage proposal the name of the Logan's dog is
Gay,
क्या होगा
Gay,
the president used to land for
Makia,
30 years it will prove to you in court that the remain sent
Lama,
Lomov a person who acquired land in any way possible is called
Land Grabber,
land grabber. Lemur claim to the have the memory
Ten Elephant,
and elephant. When Romans come to the Choboki the letter
welcome him,
welcome him. Natalia is Assyrio and
British love him,
क्या होगा
British love him,
as species loving. Lomas propose Natalia
none of these,
none of these कुछ भी नहीं है भाई. To back come to Natalia
expected,
hesitated expected. Atom Chiki was born in
8060,
1860 में. Atom Chiki died
94,
94 में डेथ हो गया. Atom Chiki was
Russia, Russia,
a Russian. Lemon wanted to
Mary Natalia,
marry Natalia. To now as a Lemon decided Mr. Zuckerberg became
Haiti,
क्या होगा
Haiti, Haiti,
happy. A marriage proposal is written by
Arthur Dekha,
Anton Chekhov. And then Chekhov has written the lesson
Mary Proposal,
Mary proposal. Lohan was the father son of the Chok book क्या होगा
Mary Gahawa,
Nebo. Khalisan is the daughter of Chekubov
Kataria,
क्या होगा
Kataria,
Natalia. Natalia's dog's name
Lit,
11 is year old
35,
35 year old. Devil is a neighbor
Subuka,
क्या होगा?
Chubuka.
Kubo. Laban has to come to ask the daughter,
Natalia.
Natalia. A marriage proposal is
One.
one at play. Khalesana said that he's having a heart failure.
Loma.
Loman dogs has to the defect is the old and his.
Muja.
क्या होगा?
Mujal.
मुजल. To short. Loman say that the will prove in the court that the
Ox.
neighbors belong to the
Ox. Ox.
ox. Laban is a man of the temperament
Russia.
real. Until CQ began in his career by the return. क्या होगा?
Comic. Structure.
Commit structure. Natila and Khaliastan are quarreling for the ox-made trio.
Loma.
क्या होगा?
Loma.
Lomo. The ownership of Khaliastan is disputed.
Ox. Meader.
क्या होगा?
Ox.
Of
Meader.
needed. यहीं तक